Hey guys, welcome to my second video in the series of HTML5. In this video, I am going to talk about the basic HTML document structure and also about HTML elements. As you can see on the screen, this is the basic structure of HTML. Now let's have an example to understand this basic structure of HTML document. As I have told you in the earlier video, that there are two types of editors that we use to write HTML documents. Here we are going to use the text editor, that is Notepad, to write HTML documents. Now all the HTML documents consisted of nested HTML element, that is HTML open tag and HTML close tag. Now the HTML element is the root element and it defines the whole HTML document. Now in this HTML element, there are two types of elements that we generally use. One is the head element, and then we are going to give the closing element, and then we have the body element and the closing of body element. Now here the head elements gives the title of the web page. So in the head element we are going to write title. Now as it is the first page, so we are going to write my first web page. So this is the title that we are going to give to our web page, right? And then the closing of the head title. Now this body title, this body element defines the document's body. That means whatever you see on your web page comes under or defined under this body element. Like suppose you want the heading, so you are going to write the heading as my first heading, and then closing of the heading tag, and then we will write a new paragraph also. So my first paragraph and the closing paragraph tag, and it is done. Now we are going to save this file. Now normally when we save a notepad file, it is saved with the extension .txt, that is a text file. But to convert it into an HTML file, we are going to save it as an HTML with the HTML extension. So we are going to click on File, Save As. Now we are going to save this file as first, and then we are going to write first .html, because if we are not going to write .html, it is going to save this file as a text file. So we are going to save this file. Now I already have a file name first.html, so it is asking me whether you want to replace this file or not. So I have said yes. Now I'll go to Google Chrome. Now I have to open that file. To open that file, I'm going to use shortcut key, that is Control and O. So I'm going to press Control and O key. And then if you can see on this screen, this is my first file. So I'm going to double click on this, and you can see the heading, my first heading and my first paragraph. And if you can see over here on the top, it is written my first web page, that is the title of the document. So this is how you are going to create your web page. HTML is basically made up of elements, tags, and attributes. Here in this video, I am going to talk about elements. An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. Now here if you can see the example, suppose you have to write a heading in on a web page. So you have to give the start tag h1, then the content say my first heading, and then the end tag that is backslash h1. And if you want to give a paragraph on a web page, if you want to start a new paragraph on a web page, then you have to give the start tag P, then the content, say, suppose my first paragraph, and then the end tag that is backslash P. HTML elements can be divided into two categories. One, the container elements, and the second one, empty elements. Container elements are the elements that include start tag, the content, and an end tag. As you can see in this example, H1 is the start tag, then the content, my first heading, then we have the end tag that is backslash H1. If we talk about empty elements are the elements that contain only start tag. They do not have any content or any end tag. For example, BR. This tag breaks the line and displays the text from the next line. It does not contain any content after this or any end tag. So that was all about HTML elements. In the next video, we'll cover up various attributes of HTML.